performers?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so the next performer is Fuyuko Brielle Machila Lubis. Hi, Fuyuko!
Hi, Fuyuko!
Bring tepuk tangan dulu dong untuk Fuyuko. Anyway, did I pronounce your name correctly? Fuyuko? Benar ya? Panggilannya siapa? Fuyuko. Okay. So Fuyuko, are you ready? Alright. So, let's give it up for Fuyuko!
Hi everyone! I wish I had a beautiful daughter whose skin was as white as snow, said the Fuyuko Bear. I am Fuyuko Bear Machila Lubis. I am from North Sumatra. I'm going to tell you about the fairy tale of Snow White. Once upon a time, when white snow was falling, a princess as white as snow was born. Her name was Snow White. Sadly, her mother, the queen, died of an illness soon after. Her father, the king, got married again. The new queen was pretty, but wicked. She was a witch. She asked her magic mirror every day. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? And the mirror always replied, my queen, you are the fairest. But one day, when the queen asked the mirror answered, my queen, Princess Snow White is the fairest of the kingdom. The queen was jealous and angry. What? I am the fairest, not Snow White? Never! She suddenly laughed. The queen ordered the hunter to take Snow White from the kingdom and kill her. The hunter took Snow White to the forest. However, the hunter wasn't able to kill Snow White because Snow White is a very kind princess. Go away, princess. I'll spare your life. But don't ever come back. Go away now. Far away, Snow White saw a tiny house and decided to get closer. When she came in, she saw everything was quite small. She lay down on a little bed and fell asleep. Soon after, 7 dwarfs came into their house. What is this girl doing here? Who is she? She is so beautiful. After a while, Snow White became close friends with the 7 dwarfs. She cooked for them, helped them, and danced with them. But one day, the queen witch found out that Snow White was still alive. So she took a secret potion and turned herself into an old lady. The witch knocked on the door. Knock, knock. Snow White opens the door. Beautiful child, taste this delicious apple. I am sure that you have never tried something like this before. Snow White fell on the floor in a deep slumber and never woke up again. The 7 dwarfs were very sad and decided to place her in a glass coffin. One day, a prince came into the forest. He saw Snow White and fell in love with her. The prince kissed Snow White on her forehead. At that moment, Snow White woke up! Hooray! Said the 7 dwarfs happily. The prince took Snow White to the forest and they lived happily ever after.
Great. Thank you so much. Please stay here, people, because we are going to listen to one of our judges' comments, and it is coming from Camilla.
Hi, Fuyuko! When you were telling the stories, you were so emotional. That was really good. But now you are shy. Kenapa? Kok malu-malu? But it was a really enticing story. I was captivated. Like, I don't want the story to end. I just want to keep watching you. Alright? So it was really good and it was really well told to everyone. Thank you, Fuyuko. Well done.
Thank you so much, Miss Mia.
Thank you, Camilla. Beautiful.
Okay.
Alright.
All right.
So, this is our final contestant.